Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to resize and crop your image inside Python using a package which is resize image library. So let me show you first of all the third-party library that we are using for this application. So just go to this website, just search for this library which is resize image. So this is a third-party package which is there. So yeah, so this is actually the library Python resize image. Simply install this. The command is very simple: pip install python resize image. After that we simply uh, import this package. So let me just show you the script. So just create a simple app.py file. So we have quite a number of images there inside. We have process here. So let's suppose I want to resize this image. I simply create a Python script, and for this we also need the pillow library, which is again an image processing library. So also install this as well. So just search for pillow, and this is actually an image library. Simply install this library as well. So after that we import this pillow library, and then we import the resize image library as well. After that we open this image, input image 1.jpg. So we are opening this input image in read plus binary mode, and just need to close this. So after that we will simply call this function, which is f and as image, and then we simply call this resize image module. So we are simply calling this resize image module, and here it contains this function resize and cover function, and here we specify the coordinates. So if you want to resize to 200 by 200, the width and the height, and then we can simply save this image, which will be resized .jpg and image.format. So this completes your application. We actually took the original image, we opened this image, resized it to 200 by 200. So if I go to the terminal and just execute this command here, python app.py, you will see function app object has no attribute cover. So resize. So I call this incorrect method, which is resize underscore cover. Yeah, so this is actually the method resize underscore cover. So just again execute this. You will see a new file will be created, which is resized.jpg, and your image has been successfully cropped and resized to 200 by 200. This was the original image. Sorry, this was the original image bigger, and this is actually your resized image. If I say 100 by 100, you will now see once again it will resize it to 100 by 100. You can see that. So very simple script, and we can take any other image, let's suppose 2.jpg. So you can see that your image has been successfully cropped and resized. So it's a very good library. You can definitely use it. Resize.image, which actually crops and resize your image. You can here provide any coordinate here. This is your width, this is your height. Simply change this accordingly. So in this way you can crop any section inside the image and resize it. So this was the script, guys. This was the modules that we used. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.